Here at Apple, we don't think outside of the box, but we think of what we can do with the box. Like sell it for $3.99. So when we designed our latest product, we thought by ourselves, music is not something that you should experience alone. It's something that should be shared with the world, like on a bus. The market is ready now. The only thing that we need is a promo video.
For a product video, you need a product, but we don't have one. So we are going to create a mood board and design a product. You're printing the internet, Lorenzo.
I did something wrong.
Ta-da!
So it appears that we're using the iPhone a lot more than I thought. So I thought, let's buy a case for it. What do you guys think? What do you think of the red color? It's Cinecom, right? Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of this beautiful case.
After we finished our mood board and design idea, it was time to create a model. Being on a tight deadline, we decided to divide the work. Lorenzo was going to model the ear cups and I was going to model the headband. And of course we wanted to go as detailed as possible. And luckily, with just using the primitives, you can go really far.
So right now I'm using this stick figure as a reference to make a really basic model of the headset, so Janik and I can use this as a reference to model at the same time at the real life scale.
So Janik, how is it going?
Not that great. Cinema 4D won't blend my objects together.
It's starting to look like something, or am I wrong?
I don't know, I hope so. It's really slow, so I can't really tweak and watch.
Day 2, how is it going, Janik?
Better than yesterday. I finally
Take 2.
I finally have the headband.
Sorry, the camera's out of focus.
Take 3. How's it going, Janik?
Better than yesterday. The headband is finally smoothened out and now I can start with adding details.
Bonjour. And how's it going at Team Lorenzo?
Ça va très bien. Le modèle est parfait, Jordi.
Wow, you're French.
Jordi, we're done with modeling.
Let's have a look. There's nothing even in my coffee. I should make some coffee.
We are on a tight schedule and he decides to make a coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Once we were done with the modeling, we were ready for the next step, texturing. And this time I got something up my sleeve. Y'all know that Janik and I are following a Cinema 4D course on School of Motion. At this very moment they are doing a 2-week-long giveaway in which I entered and won a subscription to Grayscale Gorilla. However, one little downside. We have only one subscription, which is mine, and Janik also needs one. Jordi!
No, Tim, just put $5 million on it. You know, it's pocket change for me. What? Come on, guys. You need money from me every copycat. You're making me broke. Damn it. You know, guys, there is something that is not expensive. And no, I'm not talking about a Google product. I'm talking about Storyblocks Video. Storyblocks Video is an incredible library packed with high-quality 4K stock clips. You can find all kinds of collections from every category that you need. Do you need a promo video but don't have the time or the resources to shoot everything yourself? Storyblocks Video is there to help you. And to top it off, you can have your logo inside a beautiful animation with your After Effects templates. Or maybe you're looking for transition packs for Premiere Pro, title sequences, or any other visual animation. That all can be found within the growing library of Storyblocks Video. And the most remarkable aspect of Storyblocks Video is that you can just download anything that you desire. There's only a single price per year without additional fees. So go check it out. You can do so by clicking the first link in the description down below. I decided to make the headphones with the new Google Home Minis because I had 2 laying around.
So now that we have 2 licenses, it's time for the next phase. While Janik will be creating the light setup, I'll be texturing our model. With grayscale, it's super easy to texture. I can just drag and drop with our presets and it will look super realistic.
It's insane what I wanted to say is the possibilities with Grayscale Light Studio is insane. You have tripods and octane mounts to the ceiling. Like you saw, we are using Grayscale Gorilla to create our light setups. Of course, this can be also done with the normal Cinema 4D lights, but personally I find that lighting tool super handy as we can work with physical lights in our 3D space. Now for our light setup, we try to recreate the same one as Apple. They use typical beauty lighting, which means super soft shadows. And actually, the setup was quite easy to make. Just one big top light and 2 side lights. But there is one super important thing. A white backdrop with one single light shining on the upper part, creating a vignette. And that is how we created our light setup. It's Thursday evening and we're still messing around with the lights. However, we still need to do the camera movements and render. So I hope we can finish this.
Now, let's talk camera moves. The great thing about working in 3D is the freedom we had with our camera moves. We could literally do everything, every lens possible we had at our disposal. No need to borrow probe lens, we made our own in Cinema 4D. Now for the movement, we kept them the same as the real Apple commercial. They used a mysterious close-up to a long shot technique. A perfect way to reveal a product and create suspense. Also, creating such shots in real life can be quite difficult if you don't have a camera robot arm. So, another reason to use 3D.
Like I said before guys, it's getting pretty late and we're still working with the camera movements. The problem is now, we need to render it. However, rendering takes a lot of time, so let's hope we finish it in time.
Today is day 3 or the final day of our project, and right now we just arrived at the office and are gonna check if our render finished.
So Lorenzo, how far is it?
We are at frame 370 after 13 hours and we need to go to frame 720.
Guys, that was a close one. We just finished rendering. So without further ado, let's bring in the boss.
Alright, let's have a look at the promo video you guys made for me. What is this? A cheese rasp? Is it rasp? How do you say it in English? Okay. I like how it's, no, wait a second. Is that the Amazon Alexa Echo or whatever it's called? Is that an Alexa?
It is, Dory.
Is that a circular design?
It is.
Is that... Guys, I specifically asked for a triangular design with the Google Home Mini on the end.
But doesn't this look nicer?
What's with the Echo? What's with the Alexa? I specifically asked for these guys. Google Homes. I hate it. It's stupid.
Okay guys, I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below if you liked it.
Thank you Storyblocks for the support.
And as always, stay creative.
I wanted to jump on, but my back really hurt from the last video, so I'm not gonna do that.
Bye.